Hello students, in today's lecture we will solve practice questions based on laws of motion part 2. Clear? So in today's lecture we will solve 8th question 11 to 18. Clear? 11 to 18. 8th practice question. Clear? So first question, or we can say 11th question, the figure below shows a uniform rod of length 30 centimeter having a mass of 3.0 kg. The strings as shown in the figure are pulled by a constant forces of 20 Newton and 32 Newton. Find the exerted force by the 20 centimeter part of the rod on the 10 centimeter part. All the surfaces are smooth and strings are light. Clear? So which option is correct? A, B, C, D. You have a 10 seconds to solve this question. After that we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So net force on the rod. Net force on the rod F equal to 32 minus 20, 12 Newton. 32 minus 20, which is equal to 12 Newton, and acceleration of the rod equal to F by M. So force is 12 Newton and mass is 3 kg. Then acceleration is 4 meter per second square. Clear? Equation of motion of the second centimeter part is F minus 20, which is equal to M into A. And solving this term, the force will be 24 Newton. Similarly, equation of motion of 20 centimeter apart is 32 minus F equal to M into A, which is equal to 2 into 4. And solving this term, the force is 24 Newton. Clear? So, correct answer is D. D is correct answer. Next question. Two masses M1 equal to 5 kg and M2 equal to 4.8 kg tied to a string are hanging over a light frictionless pulley. Clear? This is a light frictionless pulley. What is the acceleration? What is the acceleration of the mass produced when system is free to move? Clear? Question asked about the what is the acceleration of the mass is produced when the system is free to move. Clear? Take g equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Given options is this. Which one is correct? A 0.2 meter per second square, B 9.8 meter per second square, C 5 meter per second square, D 4.8 meter per second square. Which one is correct? You have a 10 seconds to solve this question. After that we will provide solution. Let's find a solution. So this is the given diagram. On releasing, the motion of the system will be according to the figure. Clear? This is the resolving all forces, M2G acting downward and acceleration acting upward. Similarly, M1G acting downward and acceleration acting downward. Clear? So the equation of motion of blocks M1G minus T equal to M1A and T minus M2G equal to M2 alpha. On solving this term, acceleration equal to m1 minus m2 upon m1 plus m2 multiplied by g. This clear? Here m1 equal to 5 kg, m2 equal to 4.8 kg, and g equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Putting the all terms in this acceleration terms, then the answer will be 0.2 meter per second square. Clear? After solving the numerical terms. Clear? So correct answer is 0.2 meter per second square. 0.2 meter per second square. A option is correct. Clear? Question. Next question. A light string passing over a smooth light pulley. Clear? Connects two blocks of masses m1 and m2 vertically. If the acceleration of the system is this, then the ratio of masses is what? The ratio is masses 8:1. A option. B option is 9:7. C ratio is 4:3, and D is 5:3. Clear? Which one is correct? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After that, we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So, according to question, string passing over a smooth light pulley connects two blocks of masses m1 and m2 vertically. And acceleration of the system is this. So we know the formula of acceleration. Acceleration is equal to m1 minus m2 multiplied by g divided by m1 plus m2, which is equal to g divided by 8. Clear? So solving this term, then equation is 8m1 minus 8m2, which is equal to m1 plus m2. Clear? In that case, arranging the masses, 7m1 equal to 9m2, then the ratio of this mass is m1 upon m2 is equal to 9 upon 7. So 9:7. Clear? So correct answer is 9:7. B option is correct. Clear? So this is the solution of the question 13. Clear? Next question. Question is, a man slides down a light rope whose braking strength is eta times his weight. What should be his maximum acceleration so that rope does not break? Clear? So question asked about the maximum acceleration. Clear? Maximum acceleration. So given options is g 1 minus eta. Second option is n eta g, and C option is g divided by 1 plus eta, and D option is g divided by 1 minus eta. So which option is correct? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After that, we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So man slides down a light rope whose braking strength is eta times his weight. Clear? Braking strength is eta times his weight. This is the important point here. What should be his maximum acceleration? Question asked about the maximum acceleration. So as we know, the mg minus r equal to ma. Clear? Mg minus r equal to ma. Here, solving this term, mg minus eta, mg equal to ma. Clear? So mg 1 minus eta equal to ma, and acceleration equal to g 1 minus eta. So acceleration is equal to this. Here, this is given. Braking strength is eta times his weight. Eta times his weight. Clear? Eta times his weight. This is eta times his weight. Clear? So acceleration is g1 minus eta. So correct answer is A. A is correct answer, which is g1 minus eta. Clear? Next question is this. This is JEE Main 2013 question. So question is, two blocks of mass is m and m, small m and capital M, are connected by means of a metal wire as shown in this figure. Clear? Of cross sectional area A. Clear? Passing over a frictionless fixed pulley as shown in this figure. This is the figure. Clear? This is the figure. The system is then released. If m equal to 2m, then stress produced in the wire is what? Here asked about the stress. Clear? So which option is correct? A option 2mg by 3a, B option 4g m by 3a, C option gm by a, and D option 3mg by 4a. Which one is correct? You have a 10 seconds to solve this question. After that, we will provide a solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So, according to question, two blocks of masses m and capital M are connected by means of a metal rod of cross-section area A passing over a frictionless fixed pulley as shown in this figure, and given is capital M equal to 2 times of small m. Clear? So solution is tension on a string is equal to this. This is the tension, 2 m1 m2 divided by m1 plus m2 multiplied by g. Clear? Where g is acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity. Putting the all terms in this formula, T equal to 2m1 m2 divided by m1 plus m2 multiplied by g, then it becomes 4 by 3 mg. Clear? Where we know the formula of stress, force upon area. Force upon area. Here in this question, the force given in the form of tension. Clear? In the form of tension. So stress is tension upon area. Clear? Here, putting the whole term in this formula, 4 by 3 mg divided by area. This is the tension, 4 by 3 mg. So solving this term, 4 mg upon with 3a. So stress is this. And question asked about the stress. Clear? 4 mg divided by 3a. So correct answer is B. B is correct answer. 4 mg divided by 3a. 4 mg divided by 3. This is the correct answer. Clear? Next question. 16 question. Question is, a satellite in a force-free space sweeps out stationary interplanetary dust at rate dm upon dt, which is equal to alpha times v. This, where m is the mass and v is the velocity of the satellites, and alpha is a constant. The declaration of the satellite is what? Question asked about the declaration of the satellite. Clear? Read question carefully and then solve the question. The options given are 2 alpha v square divided by m. B option is minus alpha v square divided by m. C option is minus alpha v square divided by 2m. And D option is minus alpha v square. Which one is correct? Clear? You have a 10 seconds to solve this question. After that, we will provide a solution. Let's find a solution. So this is the given this question, dm upon dt equal to alpha times v, where m is the mass and v is the velocity of the satellites and alpha is a constant. Clear? A question asked about a declaration. So solution is, it is known that the thrust, we know the formula of thrust, which is equal to minus v dm upon dt. Clear? Dm upon dt, and dm upon dt is given, which is what is alpha multiply v. So putting this term into this minus v alpha v. Clear? And solving this term, hence the retardation produced is thrust upon mass. Clear? The thrust upon mass, thrust alpha v square upon m. M is the mass. Clear? Here thrust is this. After multiply, it becomes alpha v into v square. So minus alpha v square upon m. M is the mass. Clear? So correct answer is B. Correct answer is B. Clear? The declaration of satellite is B, minus alpha v square upon m. Clear? Next question. 17th question. A lift is moving down within an acceleration a. Clear? A man in the lift drops a ball inside the lift. The acceleration of the ball, as observed by the man in the lift and a man standing stationary on the ground, are respectively. Clear? So read question carefully, and given options is G, G, A, C option is G minus A, G, or A, G. Which one is correct? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After it, we will provide solution. Let's find a solution. So, according to question, lift is moving down with the acceleration A. A man in a lift drops a ball inside the lift. Acceleration of the ball as observed by a man in the lift and a man standing stationary on the ground. Clear? Respectively. So, solution is, when the ball dropped, acceleration of the ball is G. Clear? As will be observed by a man standing stationary on the ground, then the man inside the lift having its own downward acceleration A. Clear? Therefore, relative acceleration of the ball as observed by the man in the lift must be equal to G minus A. Clear? G minus A. So correct answer is C. It's G minus A. Clear? Next question. A spring balance is attached to the ceiling of a lift. A man hangs his bag on the string and the balance reads 49 Newton. When the lift is stationary, if the lift moves downwards with acceleration of 5 meter per second square, this is the given quantity, acceleration is equal to 5 meter per second square. The reading of the spring balance would be what? A given option, A option is 24 Newton, B option is 74 Newton, C option is 15 Newton, and D option is 49 Newton. Which option is correct? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After that, we will provide solution. Let's find a solution. So according to question, spring balance attached to a ceiling fan to a lift. A man hangs his bag on the string and balance rates 49 Newton. When the lift is stationary, if the lift moves downward with an acceleration 5 meter per second square, the reading of the spring balance would be clear. So solution is, when the lift is stationary, then F R equal to mg. Clear? And R is 49, which is equal to m into 9.8. And solving this numerical terms, mass will be 5 kg. If a downward acceleration on the lift R equal to mg minus a, then force is 24 Newton. Clear? The force is 24 Newton. So correct answer is 24 Newton. A option is correct. Clear? So this is the last solution. Next, summary. The major formula which is used in this lecture is the first is net force. Net force F equal to F1 minus F2. Clear? Then acceleration A equal to F by m. Equation of motion F minus F applied, which is equal to m minus a. Clear? And then acceleration of a pulley system A equal to m1 minus m2 divided by m1 plus m2 multiplied by g. Then stress in a wire, which is equal to tension upon area, or we can say force upon area. Clear? Then thrust and retardation, which is equal to thrust equal to minus p dm upon v dt. Clear? This is the thrust. And relative acceleration A relative equal to g minus a, and weight is W equal to m multiply g effective. Clear? So these concepts questions we solved or learned in today's lecture. Clear? Thank you.